Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate cursor on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if you want to show cursor on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you have to activate your assistant menu. So this is how assistant menu looks like, and if you want to activate this assistant menu to get the cursor, you have to go to your setting application, go to setting, and you have to open the accessibility setting. You can scroll down to find it. Look at this one, you can click on accessibility and you have to click on interaction and dexterity right here guys, and this is the assistant menu. If you want to activate this assistant menu, we just need to click on this toggle button, and right after you activate this assistant menu, you will be able to show your cursor, this one, and this is the cursor on my Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate cursor on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.